Hi, my name is Cristina and I'm here with bareMinerals. Today I'm going to be creating a Halloween look. It's going to be a very vampy, dark look. I was inspired by this outfit that I have on here, so let's just get started. So I'm going to start with my eyes, and I'm going to use the bareMinerals Gen Nude Latte Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to get right in my crease. I'm gonna take the palette, Bounce and Blur Dusk, and I'm gonna take the Crimson Sunset and I'm gonna put it right on my lids. I'm gonna actually use my finger. To blend it out, I'm going to use the Expert Shadow and Liner. Now for a little pop of fun on the lid, I'm going to add the Gen Nude Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow and Fire. A little touch of sparkle. You can see how it just blends flawlessly. Okay, now we're gonna move on to eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the Lasting Line in Absolute Black, and you just wanna get in there very close to the lash line. I love, love, love this mascara. It's the bareMinerals LASHTOPIA. You want your lashes to be bold for this look, so I'm gonna go in a couple times. You don't have to do this step, but I'm a little extra. So I'm actually gonna take that same color from the Bounce and Blur Eyeshadow Palette in Dusk, and I'm gonna take the Crimson Sunset, which is the same color that I put on my lid, and I'm actually gonna take it under my lid at the bottom here. Again, just trying to blend it all in. The same mascara that we use for the top of our lids, we're gonna use for the bottom of our lids. This look is very like monochromatic. It's kind of like everything is one color. So I'm actually going to use the Gen Nude You Had Me at Merlot blush. And with this blush, you don't really need a lot of it, so I'm just gonna slightly tap it. I am using the Seamless Shaping and Finish brush. I love this brush, it's super fluffy. To close off this look, I'm gonna go in with a dark lipstick, and I'm gonna be using the BarePro Longwear Lipstick in Blackberry. And again, this is a vampy look, so we wanna do a dark lip for that like mysterious vampy vibe. This color here, the formula is super creamy and it doesn't feel drying to the lips. Now I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, and I'm actually gonna use the double-ended perfect lip fill. I'm gonna use this thinner side to kind of clean up the edges around my lips. Perfect. Now I'm going to finish this look by adding some accessories to kind of bring this whole look together. This finishes off my vampy look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys try it at home. It's super easy, it's super fun, it's great for last minute Halloween outfits as well. And thank you so much for watching.